Hello, welcome back for a new video. My car has been at the workshop the whole day and they have gone through my LED lights. So follow me in this update to see if they managed to fix the problem or not. First of all, I want to make one thing clear. There is another video on YouTube about the LED lights from a German friend of mine. And if you understand German, first of all, I suggest that you follow and subscribe to his channel also, because he produces a lot of useful information there. So I put a link to that video in my description. But in that video, he shows a totally different impression of the adaptive LED lights, and I got a lot of questions why his lights are so good and why mine are not working. And I also got a lot of suggestions that I haven't enabled all the functions on my car, or is it something wrong with the settings of my camera or something like that. But it turns out that his adaptive LED lights are working as they should, and there is an error on my car. And it's a common problem. In a Facebook group we made an investigation, and it turns out that out of 22 delivered iX1s, 17 have the same problem as my car. And today it's been the whole day at the workshop, and they have also another delivered car with the same problems, but they will start with my car to see if they can find a solution. And they have done a lot of diagnostic tests today of the car, and they also upgraded all the softwares to the latest versions. And it turns out that there is one error on my camera, who is controlling the adaptive lights, and they will continue to investigate that. But there is also an error on a control unit in the car, and this is something that BMW is aware of. So they are already preparing a new software which will be released in 1 week. So did the software updates today fix my lights? The answer is unfortunately no, it didn't. But they hope that the next software that will be released in a week or something hopefully will fix this problem. They will now send all the tests and information to BMW and contact them tomorrow and see what they can find out. But they think that because that BMW is already aware of this problem with the control unit, hopefully it will solve the problem, because the most of the control units control a lot of functions. So we will have to wait and see. As soon as the new software is released, they will call me and bring my car back to the workshop again. But once again, this is not normal, it's an error on the car, and there are a lot of images on the internet, and there are also this German video which shows a car with functional adaptive LED lights. So as soon as BMW sort this problem out with software or hardware updates, we will probably have a good light in our cars.